Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do variations on Etsy. The steps are very simple and easy. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. To get started, first we need to open up any web browser and log in to our Etsy account. As you can see, I'm already logged in. After that, you need to select Shop Manager from your top right. From here, you need to scroll down till you see variations. Now, as you see here, to edit your variations, first you need to select a category to add variations. So we need to scroll up till we see category. From here, we need to select a category, and after that, fill on the necessary details. And after that, we need to scroll down to variations, and then tap on add variations. From here, we need to choose a variation type. And after that, select size options. As you can see, you can add 2 variations at a time. And after filling on the details, we need to tap on save and continue. And as you can see, our variations has been updated. If you want, you can also edit your variations after posting it. And after that, update the information. You can also link photos if you want. And after that, you can set a price for your variation, and that's it. This is how you do variations on Etsy.